Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about an interesting stock that is getting attention in the pre-market session. The company name is Capstone Holding Corp and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CAPS. Right now, this stock is showing strong moment in pre-market trading, which means there is increasing interest from traders before the market officially opens. Pre-market momentum usually comes from high trading volume, news or short-term trader activity. But it is important to understand that pre-market moves can be very volatile and may not always continue after the market opens. Now let's understand what this company actually does. Capstone Holding Corp operates as a holding company. This means it focuses on acquiring and managing different businesses instead of relying on just one product or service. The company aims to grow by expanding its portfolio and improving the performance of the businesses it owns. This type of business model can offer growth opportunities, but it also depends heavily on management decisions and execution. Now talking about the future of this stock. Since this is a small cap company, it comes with both potential and risk. On the positive side, the company has room for growth, flexibility in expanding its business, and the possibility of benefiting from successful acquisitions. On the risk side, the stock can be highly volatile, less stable compared to large companies, and more dependent on market sentiment. So, overall, the future of this stock depends on how well the company executes its plans and how investors react over time. Now let's quick talk about the chart. Looking at the intraday price movement, the stock started lower and then showed a gradual upward trend. There is visible buying interest during the session, which indicates short-term bullish momentum. However, there are also small pullbacks, which means the moment is not completely smooth. Key things to watch in the chart are support levels, where the price may stabilize, resistance levels where the price may face difficulty moving higher, and trading volume which confirms the strength of the move. If volume continues, the momentum may sustain. If volume decreases, the move may weaken. So, in summary, CAPS Caps is currently a momentum driven stock with strong pre-market activity. It may attract short-term traders, but long-term investors should focus more on fundamentals and company performance. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before making any investment decisions. Stock market investing involves risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.